everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the new Wet n Wild and Alice in Wonderland collection. I actually love Disney themed makeup products, and I have a little collection of my own of different Disney themed makeup products that I've bought over the years. So I'm super excited to add this to my collection. Before I get started with unboxing the collection, my son is going to be joining us again because he just loves being in my videos. He wants to be a YouTuber one day and he wants to start his own channel. Let's go ahead and open up the Wet n Wild and Alice in Wonderland collection box.
What do you have for us today, Wet n Wild?
What do you have for us today, Wet n Wild? Design of the box is super cute. It has Alice right here, the Cheshire Cat, and just a bunch of little flowers. And on the side it has the White Rabbit, and on this side it has Alice and the Mad Hatter. So let's see what's inside. Ooh.
Wow!
There is a lot of stuff in here. First we have the eyeshadow palette. This is the Lost in Wonderland eyeshadow palette. And look at the packaging. The packaging is super cute. It has Alice and the Queen of Hearts on there. I love the pink packaging. It's super cute. I'm gonna open it up so that you guys can get a closer look at all of the shades. Here are all the shades in the palette. They're definitely very bright and fun.
As you can see, there is gray, mint, and tan, and like a grayish caramel, and then like darkest teal, and then violet, cyan or blue, and then olive, orange, brown, white, silver, grayish pink, and like brownish pink, and indigo. Lastly, ultimate.
The shimmer shades look super duper sparkly and nice. My eye went straight to this bright blue right here. That shade looks so beautiful.
Yeah, me too.
Next we have 3 face palettes, and these all have really cute designs on them. This first one is actually a highlighter palette. It's called the Curiouser and Curiouser highlighter palette, and it has Alice in the front. Here is what the highlighter palette looks like on the inside. Here are some quick swatches of the highlighter palette. That is so pretty. Next we have the blush palette. This is what it looks like right here. And this one is called the Talk to the Flowers blush palette. Here are all the shades in the blush palette. And here are the quick swatches of the blush palette. The last face palette is the bronzer palette right here that Leon is holding. And this one is called Tea Anyone. It has the Mad Hatter on there. Here is the inside of the bronzer palette.
Satisfying.
And here are the quick swatches of the bronzer palette. The first shade you can't really see because it blended into my skin tone.
Yeah.
But these are the 2 shimmer shades. They're kind of like highlights. And then this is the deeper bronzer shade. Next in the collection, we have this liquid eyeliner. It looks like this. I think the shade might be white, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna open it up right now and see. But the shade is called Silly Nonsense. This is what the liquid eyeliner looks like. It's super cute and pink, and it has Alice on there. So the shade is definitely like a silvery white kind of shade, and it has a little bit of shimmer to it, which is really pretty. This would look really nice like on the inner corners. Up next in the collection, we have the Can You Imagine Glitter Mascara. I have never heard of or tried a glitter mascara, but yeah, this is a glitter mascara. It looks really pretty. I don't know how that's gonna look on the lashes, but
you also look pretty too.
Oh, thank you. It looks really sparkly, and to be honest, I'm kind of scared putting it on because I don't know if the glitter can get in my eyes, so that's a little bit scary. But it says it's glitter infused formula, adds sparkle and shine to the lashes. It also says it's lightweight and buildable. Should I do a video trying this? Maybe a short or something, trying the glitter mascara? I think that would be...
I think you should do it.
I think that would be fun. Next we have some super cute Alice in Wonderland brushes. This is the Mad Tea Party 4-piece makeup brush sets. The brushes look like this.
Next, we have a mirror.
Yeah, we have a mirror next. So next we have this super adorable mirror with the Cheshire Cat on there. And this is the We're All Mad Here hand mirror, which I love that quote. We're all mad here because
I know,
it's
right?
true. We're all mad here.
Well, I'm not mad, I'm happy.
The design of the mirror is super cute. It has his face in the front, and then the back is just a simple, you could already see the mirrors. This is gonna be really fun to put in my bag and like carry in my makeup bag with me to just pop out whenever I need to touch up my makeup and use this cute little fun mirror. Next we have this lip and cheek color. It's pretty much a liquid blush that you can also use on the lips. The shade is called This Way. It's going to be my first time trying a liquid blush from WetNWild. So let me do a quick little swatch. This is what the applicator looks like. And then here is the liquid blush and lip color. Looks like a really pretty coral shade. Another new thing that I've never tried from WetNWild before, this is their liquid eyeshadow. And it has Alice in the front. It's so cute. And the shade is called Daydreaming. I'm also going to do a quick little swatch of this right here. It's really sparkly and bright. It's like a pinky mauve shade. I'm not sure how that'll look on the eyes, but I'm curious to see and to try it out. That's really pretty and shimmery. I thought it was going to be a matte shade, but it's a shimmery shade. It looks really nice, kind of like metallic. The last two products are lip products. We have this lip gloss in We Sing 2, and it looks like a really pretty milky pink, and it has the beautiful red rose in the front. And then we have a pretty lipstick in Painted Roses. Of course, is like a red shade. Here are the lip swatches of both of the products. This one is the lip gloss, which looks like a really pretty milky pink, and it has a bit of a scent. It smells kind of like taffy candy or like strawberry candy. I don't know, I can't tell. And this is the lipstick. It's a nice bright orangey red. Look at the shine in that lip gloss though. So those were the last two products in the box. So that was everything that came in the collection box. That's going to be it for this unboxing video. Let me know if you guys like this collection, if you like Disney makeup like I do, or if you don't really care for Disney stuff, that's okay too.
Well, I care for the Disney makeup a lot.
Yeah, we like Disney makeup, so we love the collection, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.